Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to today's maths class. Okay, let's revise what we have discussed in the previous class. Fractions. Different types of fractions. Like, unlike, proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Then, conversion of mixed fractions into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we are going to next topic, comparison of fractions. So let's go to comparison of like fractions. Consider the fractions. Which type are these fractions? Okay, like fractions. How to compare the like fractions? There is a simple rule, that it is fractions having the smaller numerator is the smaller fraction. So, let's compare the numerators of these fractions. Here, 3 is less than 5. So, we can compare the fractions. First fraction 3 by 8 is less than second fraction 5 by 8. So, we compared the like fractions. Now, let's go to the problem. Arrange the following in ascending order. 3 by 11, 1 by 11, 9 by 11 and 4 by 11. This is the given set of fractions to arrange in ascending order. First of all, we have to find out the speciality of fractions. In these fractions, all denominators are same. So, these fractions are like fractions. Okay. We have already discussed to compare the like fractions. Yes. Fractions having the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. So, let's arrange the numerators in ascending order. 1 is less than, 3 is less than, 4 is less than 9. Okay. Then next arrange the fractions. 1 by 11 less than, 3 by 11 is less than, 4 by 11 is less than, 9 by 11. Okay. Then we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is equal to So, we already know about ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay. Then, ascending order of these fractions are equal to 1 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11 and 9 by 11. Okay. We arrange the fractions like fractions in ascending order. Then, comparison of unlike fraction with the same numerators. Consider the fractions. Which type are these fractions? Yes, unlike fractions with the same numerators. How can we compare these fractions? Yes, we observe that the first figure is greater than the second figure. Let's conclude the rule. Fractions having smaller denominator is greater. So, let's compare the denominators of these fractions. 3 is less than 4. So, the fractions 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. We compared these fractions. Next one is comparison of unlike fractions with different numerators and denominators having no common factors. Let's go through the problem. So, consider the given fractions for comparing. First of all, we have to find out the speciality of these fractions. Okay, in this, the denominators are different. Okay, these fractions are called unlike fractions. First, let's convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. For that, we can find out the LCM of denominators. The denominators are 7 and 11. They have no common factors. Their LCM is equal to their product. Okay, therefore, we can write the LCM equal to their product. 7 into 11 equal to 77. Okay, we can write the denominators as LCM. 77 here and here also 77. Okay, then first numerator. Numerator is cross multiplying by 3 and 11. Cross multiplying by 3 and 11. Then second numerator cross multiplying by 5 and 7. Okay, cross multiplying by 5 and 7. Okay, 3 into 11, 33. Divided by 77. Here 5 into 7, 35 divided by 77. Okay. Now we converted this unlike fraction into like fractions. Okay. Then we can compare the numerators. Here 33 is less than 35. So these fractions are 33 divided by 77 is less than 35 divided by 77. Okay? We compare. Okay, my students. Let's summarize today's class. What we have learned: comparison of fractions, comparison of like fractions, comparison of unlike fractions with the same numerators, then comparison of unlike fraction with different numerators and denominators having no common factors. Okay, thank you all.